Camera one, take camera one.
Hello again, everyone, and welcome to Catch the Spirit, the Atlanta Hawks preseason preview, along with Brent McCaskill. I'm Kevin Beck. Brent, tell me about the preseason activity so far for the Atlanta Hawks.
It's the same in the past 4 or 5 years. It looks like the same team going into the 2012 season that we've had in the past 4 or 5 years. Other than the addition of T-Mac, nothing's changed much.
And that's bad news for the Hawks fans. They need something different in this squad to change up the way they've been playing. All right, every NBA squad needs leadership, but for the past few years, those guys have only been Joe Johnson and Al Horford.
Yeah, Joe is by default because he's paid so much, but on the court, he really does not have the passion of a true leader. He can score at will and is ultimately talented, but he's really not the leader. Now, Horford, on the other hand, is just a plain beast. He comes with it every night. You know what you're going to get when you have Horford on the field.
Take camera one.
The problem is he's playing out of position. He's playing the 5. We need him to play at the 4.
7-footers out there, where are you?
Camera three.
And it's unclear if Joe Johnson is ever going to become an NBA premier player. But right now, the most important thing for these guys is that he stays healthy. What do you expect from the supporting cast? Let's start with Josh Smith.
I think you're going to get the same with Josh. You know, he's been in the league a long time. He's not young anymore. He is explosive, and he's a playmaker all over the place. My thing with Josh is
camera one,
still taking the
camera
15-footer, the 18-footer. We really need Josh in the paint because we really like his presence there.
Need that mental game to come around for Josh Smith.
Take camera three.
All right, that's going to do it for Catch the Spirit. Join us again next time as the Hawks get ready for their preseason opener later this month. For Brent McCaskill, I'm Kevin Beck. We'll see you next time on Catch the Spirit.
Fade to black.